Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline. Check out this really cool Model 3 we just finished customizing for one of our customers. It came to us brand new right after delivery. It's gloss black and had the performance package and performance plus package as well from Tesla. What we did was wrap the whole car using 3M satin black film. And this is part of a new trend that we're actually promoting, and that is a monochromatic look, meaning not only do we wrap the car, for example, in satin black, but also the chrome trim, chrome delete as we call it, in the same matching color. So the trim around the windows, the door handles, up underneath the side mirrors, the front camera housings. Sometimes we would do that in a gloss black, and that's a very cool contrasting look. But now it's all about satin black everything, and I think it looks really cool. I hope you do too. Now let's talk about the wheels. Well, the wheels that come with a Performance Plus car are 20-inch by 8.5-inch front and rear, the same size. We refer to that as a square fitment. When Tesla first showed the car, the Model 3, to the world, it actually had a 20-inch staggered fitment. 20 by 8.5 up front, 20 by 10 in the rear. Well, we offer it both ways, and I want to share with you our M3115 one-piece forged wheel. This is the best wheel for any Model 3. This is the strongest wheel for any Model 3, helping reduce you ever having to deal with a blowout or go ahead and crack a wheel or bend a wheel, because this is a one-piece forged wheel. And that is the best way you can manufacture a wheel, much better than a cast wheel process, which, for example, Tesla does. So these wheels are not only stronger than the Tesla wheels, but they're quite a bit lighter, almost 32% lighter. Specifically, Tesla's wheels weigh 28.75 pounds and our wheels weigh 19.75 pounds. And that reduction in unsprung weight really helps with range and performance. So if you have a Performance Model 3 with Performance Plus upgrade and you put our one-piece forged wheels on there, you will now have a faster Model 3, faster than your friends. So that's all about unsprung weight and having the right wheels on your car. These wheels are finished in satin black. We do offer a gray finish, and I think you'll agree it looks really, really cool on the car. To finish it all off, we tinted all the windows using 3M Crystalline film. That's the best film in the industry, and that helps reduce the temperature in the car by up to 15 degrees, but more importantly, gives you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays. And that helps protect your skin as well as the interior of your car. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed customizing this car. We're about to deliver it to the client. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more videos coming your way soon.